Every day, India's power grid carries energy across millions of homes and industries. But one hidden fault in an EHV circuit breaker can trigger massive blackouts. Circuit breakers are the sentinels of our power system. When they age or wear out, they can fail without warning, risking reliability, safety, and millions in losses. Introducing IntelliBreaker, an indigenous AI-powered diagnostic platform that transforms raw DCRM data into smart insights for predictive maintenance. Field engineers connect existing DCRM test devices. The data is securely uploaded to the IntelliBreaker cloud. Our AI engine analyzes the waveform in real time, identifying wear, sluggishness, or contamination long before failure occurs. When a fault is detected, IntelliBreaker instantly alerts engineers, generating a diagnostic report with the fault type and maintenance action plan. A powerful dashboard visualizes every breaker in your fleet, with trend analytics, explainable AI, and maintenance history, all in one place. Built for India's power ecosystem, IntelliBreaker uses existing DCRM hardware, no extra devices, no downtime. It's a scalable, affordable, and indigenous AI solution. From power grid corporation to local substations, IntelliBreaker ensures uninterrupted energy for hospitals, transport, and industries. Strengthening grid reliability. Empowering engineers. Powering India's digital future. Team KAVACH, Smart India Hackathon 2025. Experience the future of grid reliability at intellibreaker.versal.app.
To the prototype for Team KAVACH. So basically, these are our prototype for the given above problem statement. What we have made is an IntelliBreaker which will predict the breaker failure before they will happen. So what we basically do, this is basically a landing page. So if you are a like a normal user, or if you are a member from your SSO or something like administration level, what you have to do, you have to just log in with your email ID and password upon here and simply sign in over here. Okay, then you can see this type of fleet held wordboard where you can see every type of things like the recent trace results with about the breaker ID, the substitution, the lines, the voltage, the last test date, the health scores, most importantly, as well as the status, as well as the actions you should take upon here. And not only that, there will be a differentiating breaker list platform where you can just search about all the breaker list with all of the health status or something like that, and all of the filters have been given over here so that you can test all the recent test results or everything. And only not that, we have thought about that every time it is not possible any type of administration level to check all the things. So if any type of data or every type of analyzer or AI powered diagnostics have to be submitted, they can easily submit it through this portal, like upload your DCRM test data. The reports can be also seen over here and be downloaded and can be executed from over here. And this is basically the AI model studio, whatever the AI model which will bring to the table. Basically, these are the AI models, like the DCRM classifier version of True, the 1D CNN detector version of 1.8, LSTM auto inductor for version 1.5, XGBoost like of that. And it is basically all the things. And not only that, it is basically the settings and integration section where you can just see that whatever the profile information or something like that over here. And the helping section is like to understand any type of new users or something like that, so that they can easily go upon the quick links or the DCRM glossary to more deep dive into the things. They can easily go through about the IntelliBreaker things. So this is basically all about the things about our prototype. Thanks a lot.